is the king of the jungle.
Number 2.
Monkeys live on trees.
Number 3.
The elephant is very big.
Oh,
The cheetah runs fast.
okay. Number 5.
Sorry. Isip.
Hindi ko nakita mo. No? Oh, una na yung panda.
Okay. In
Ano?
the pandas eat bamboo in the forest.
Yay! Oh, again. Number 6.
The parrot's feathers are colorful.
Yay! Very good.
The turtle walks slowly.
Okay. Last one.
In a pond,
No, it's not. Mali.
the fish swims in a pond.
Yay!